An office worker picks up a lunch order for several colleagues. The order consists of four drinks at 2.25 each, three sandwiches at 6.25 each, and two sandwiches at 7.50 each, and the worker pays with a $50 bill. The cashier returns the correct change using the fewest paper bills possible, using any combination of ones, fives, and tens. How many bills are in the change? All right, so let's see how much this costs. We have four drinks at 2.25, three sandwiches, 6.25, and two sandwiches that are 7.50. All right, so I'm going to do these multiplications. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 25 cents, that would be a dollar. So this comes out to $9. Okay, and then 3 times 6.25. Well, 3 times 6 is 18, and 3 times 25 cents is 75 cents. And 2 times 7.50 is 15, $15. Okay, so let's add these. This becomes 9 plus 33.75. I added these two first. And 9 plus 33.75 is 42.75. So that is the cost of the lunch. But then we have to pay with a $50 bill. So our change um, is going to be, I'm going to add up from 42.75. 42.75 plus what would get me to $50. So I'm going to add 25 cents to get me to 43. And then I'm going to add seven more to get me to 50. Okay, so the change is $7.25. We're only concerned with the bills, right? So they're going to give a quarter, but then they're also going to give $7 and they want to use the fewest bills possible. So my $7, they would probably give me the change as a five, a one, and a one. That's the fewest possible bills, which is three bills. A five, a one, and a one. Three bills in my change. So that's option B.